To change the notifications tone on your OnePlus 15, simply go to Settings. Under Settings, scroll down and go to Sound and Vibration. Tap on that. And then if you scroll down again, you will see notification tone. You can tap on that, and then here, this is where you can choose the tone. So you have Classic, which is the Classic collection, and then you can pick any of these sounds and use it as your notifications tone. Now, if you go back, you'll see another category for nature, which has some nature sounds that you can use for your notifications sound, or some dynamic tones, which are basically dynamic. They keep changing. Now, of course, you can also have a custom notification sound by selecting on this device, and this will show you all the sounds saved on your phone, maybe from downloads or from someone sent it to you or something, and you can use a custom sound for your notification sound. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.